Hi friends, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to download Krita on PC or laptop. If you're ready, open your web browser and visit the official Krita website, krita.org. Then click Download in the top menu. If you are a Windows user, you can start the Krita installer download by clicking here. Download options are also available for Mac OS and Linux. After downloading Krita installer, double-click to run the installer. Then, select your preferred language and click OK. Click the Next button. In this step, read the agreement and check the box indicating that you have read and accepted it. Then click Next. Click Next again. Next again. Review the license agreement and click the I agree button. Click Next one last time. Click Install to start the Krita installation. You can close the installation wizard after the installation is complete. Now you're ready to use Krita on your PC or laptop. I hope this step-by-step tutorial video on how to download and install Krita on PC or laptop was informative. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.